And this is what a eviction looks like. I already did a good bit in the living room. I've almost got this bedroom done, so it looks a lot better. Gone through 2 trash bags. You can see all the crap on the floor. They lived in this unit for a while, you can see, because the walls are just torn to hell, and it's a really old color. The doors are all nasty. They were definitely slobs. This is what a room. This is the less bad, I guess, of the 2 rooms, the 2 bedrooms, that is. But yeah, this is going to be a tougher one to turn. The walls are going to need to get scrubbed down pretty well before we can even paint them. But the real gem comes here in the kitchen. I don't know if the camera shows it, but there's dead flies everywhere, all over the place. All over the place. There's a ton of them. So they're all dead now, but yeah, I got my work cut out for me for just this one unit for a little while. So I've been working on it for about 30 minutes. I was next door doing another one. So that one I actually did when I first came here back in like May or June. And it wasn't too bad. But I'll have to hire somebody to come here and get all these large items out, because we can't put those by the dumpster, otherwise it looks really trashy and the trash company won't take it. So once you get these large items out, I think I'll throw them into the unit next door, because this unit won't be too much work to do. It's actually in pretty decent shape. I might come in here and spray it. Maybe not this week, but I don't know. This one's in a lot better shape, I think. So anyway, that's what I've been up to today.